Well, the powton is the first presentation tool that I choose to make a presentation about my theme, the linear function, and it is about the class goals of the linear function. And this is my powton. Well, I choose this because powton can be made very easily, and it can become very engaging and interesting. It means students will be attracted, and the powton is very suited for short introduction like my theme, the study goals of the linear function, and the animation will make students have a better understanding and remember key points in the presentation better.